Can we see this is a neat packing order that we have got, like FR stands here and DPSPs stand here? Is this a neat packing order, or we have got somewhere we can consider the latter dominating over the former?
Yes, sir. Again, sir, even this aspect has been deliberated by the judiciary. And in a number of cases, when on one hand side, we are ensuring that the individual rights are taken care of by the fundamental rights, but at the same time, the collective interests of the society are being taken care of the DPSP. And the classic case comes up to be when we have on one hand side the right to property, and the other hand side we have the agenda of the state like land reforms. So at that point of time, fundamental rights and DPSP, they have collided. And over a period of time, what we have today is that the interests of the society, especially we have specifically two clauses under Article 39B, under Article 39, which is 39B and 39C, whereby we say that okay, only the laws which are enforced to realize the objectives behind 39B and C, they can even take precedence over fundamental rights. And that is where we say that the concerns of society are equally important. But we don't want to say that all DPSP can take precedence over fundamental rights. And when the Indira Gandhi government, they went for something like this, by the 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act, the Supreme Court struck it down, saying that there is a balance between Part 3 and Part 4. So on one hand side, I can have 39B and C taking precedence over fundamental rights, but whole DPSP can never take precedence over fundamental rights, preserving that fine balance which exists in the Constitution. And the Supreme Court went ahead and said that it is a part of the basic structure also. So it's a very fine balance which will be subject to a lot of, I think, pulls and pushes across even in the coming times. But we'll have to balance the individual rights with the needs of the society.